My husband.
How are you?
You are back so early.
Yeah, I finished attending to the people on time, so I felt I should rush back home and see my lovely wife.
Thank you, my husband. Let me quickly go and get you your food. You must be hungry now.
No, it's okay, it's okay. You see, a man should show love to his wife. Sometimes we're talking of gifts. I bought you this bead, and I felt you would love it. It's a token of my love to you.
It's so beautiful, my husband.
Yes.
Thank you, my husband.
Okay.
Thank you.
And make sure you always wear it.
I will, because it's so beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you, my husband.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can get my food now.
Okay, let me quickly go and get you your food.
Beautiful. Gods of our land, I have served you so well in this kingdom. I have done sacrifices. Sacrifices that will give birth to children. Pregnant women are delivering, they are giving birth. Here am I. Here am I. What is life without a child? What is life without a child? Is this how I'm going to live my life? Is this how I am going to live my life? Gods of our land, and will you answer me? When will you answer me? When will you hear my cry? When will you hear my cry? Gods of our land, satisfy my desires. Bring happiness in my home. Bring joy in my home. Give me a child. Give me a child and I will serve you.
People are dying, children are crying. I want where is the peace? Where is the love? I want
This one that you are smiling, you have not said anything, despite all I told you that happened at the farm today.
Adako,
Olamma.
the gods has finally favored you.
The gods has favored me?
Yes,
How?
you're with a child.
You mean I'm with a child? Me? How?
Adako, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to tell me that I don't know my work?
No. Right. You said so. Let me start.
Alright, I'll date you.
Gods of our land! Hey! Gods of our land! At last, you have answered our prayers.
Nine.
Eh?
This one that you are happy. What happened?
I went to consult the gods of our land about your dreams. And guess what?
What?
You are pregnant. You are pregnant at last. You are pregnant.
9. I went to meet the midwife.
Okay.
And she told me I'm pregnant.
And then?
I didn't believe her. That was why I did not tell you. I'm sorry, my husband.
It's okay. Whether you told me or you didn't tell me, whatever. The important is that you are pregnant. This calls for what? Celebration. So we're going to celebrate.
Yes. Yes.
After how many years of childlessness?
The
because
gods
have remembered us.
Yes.
Push! Worry, the baby is coming. It's coming! Push! Push! The baby is coming! It's coming! Push! Push for the last time! For the last time! Push!
Gods of our land. So how's my wife and the baby?
Your wife is fine. But she just gave birth to a set of twins.
No! No! Don't tell me no!
Calm down. If the villagers find out, you will be in trouble.
You do not understand. After 30 years of childlessness, the gods decide to visit me with this pain, knowing fully well if you have twins in this kingdom, it's an abomination. One of the twins will be killed, and the other thrown into the evil forest. It is not the same thing as being childless. Gods of our land, gods of our land, take my life. Take my life and save me from this humiliation. Take my life.
There is a way out. I will take care of the children. Wait. I will be right back.
Twins.
Go with your wife immediately.
Thank you.
Hey, gods of our land, please give me the strength to take care of these children.
I'm tired. I don't think I can continue. We can still stay in the kingdom and tell them that I had a stillbirth. Why must we run away?
Calamity will befall this kingdom in no time. If they find out that we are still keeping the twins, this kingdom will fall because and my entire family should bless.
Where is the
Snake! Hey! What happened?
Look, Amaka. You look worried. What is it?
She's over my sister. What is it? Could you believe that? A mighty snake chased Ugona and his mother yesterday in the bush.
Snake?
A snake.
Chased Ugona and his mother?
Yes.
Abomination.
What did I hear you say?
Mother.
What did I hear you say?
Mother, could you believe that? A mighty snake chased Ugona and his mother yesterday in the bush.
A snake?
Yes, mother.
A snake chased Ugona
Yes, mother.
and the mother in the bush?
Yes, mother.
Hey, this is terrible. This is terrible, my children. Come, children, let's go. Let's go.
Mama Viva, what is it like today? That calamity is befalling this village. Yeah. No wonder we keep having strange dreams about the snake chasing after us.
Hey! Chino, don't tell me that this thing you're saying is true.
How can the gods give them twins?
When we all know that it's an abomination for one to have twins in this village. Why?
The worst of it all is that both of them ran away from this village.
Hey! Hello. Abomination. This is an abomination. Hey!
Children, be fast.
I'm tired.
To be going home right now.
I'm tired.
Come on, Simon. Come to waste time. Come in here, waste time.
Do not run, daughter of the great Nomumu, for I bring you good news from the gods to your mother.
Greetings, eyes of the gods.
Though the moon moves slowly, but by daybreak it crosses the sky. Birth of twins are gifts, and your mother is gifted to save twins and not to destroy them. Go and tell her that the gods are not happy with her. Go and deliver my message to your mother and to everyone that the gods are not happy with her. Go now! Go!
Stop there.
I want to see the king.
Why do you want to see the king?
Let her in.
Okay, master.
Don't get what is it?
When my eye sees, my mouth can't say it out.
Why then put them in? When you know that what your eyes saw, your mouth cannot speak out. I command you to speak out now.
I had a terrible dream this early morning. I saw the priestess giving warning to my mother. She said that the birth of twins are gifts from the gods, and my mother should not take any life.
Why was the dream not revealed to your mother? But you. Let me warn you. I don't want to see this palace give such message. Do you hear me? Now, get out! Get out!
Hey, why won't I be scared? You asked me to wait for you here, so we could go to the stream together and fetch water. What happened?
I'm sorry, it's my mother. She will not allow me to wait. When you go and fetch water, she won't allow me to fetch water. Have you heard?
Heard what if you...
It's about the midnight daughter.
What happened?
She had a dream. In the dream, Mrs. Wayoman sent her to change to stop the kingdom in this village.
Oh. Do you know I had similar dream? I even told my grandmother about it. You see this village in Japan. I'm leaving. I'm going to my maternal home to stay. I'm tired.
It's okay. Let's go and fetch water. Oh, yes.
You are not happy. I heard you were very furious with what Ejiofor said yesterday.
Why should I be happy? Yes, I was furious because Ejiofor is my brother. Eh? Why must Ejiofor be a traitor in the midst of the whole chiefs? Though I have sent for him.
That is good, Your Highness. Then let us go to your palace to wait for him.
No, let's sit down here.
Your Highness, I can now see that you have so much interest in this your relaxation chambers.
It's nice. It is breathtaking environment, as you can see. Are you not enjoying it?
Your Highness. Oh, here he comes.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Hold your greetings, Ejiofor.
Your Highness.
The gods of this land strike.
Your Highness, what have I done that the gods will strike me dead?
I have heard everything you have been saying with my name. Ejiofor, you are gossiping with my name. Why should you be gossiping like a woman? A man gossiping like a woman.
Your Highness.
Ejiofor, I don't want to see you in this palace. I don't want to see you in this palace again. From this moment, Ejiofor, I don't want to see you close to this palace again. Ejiofor, you are hereby banished away from this palace. Don't beg me. What happened? Send him out of this palace.
Okay, Your Highness.
Take him away.
Your Highness.
Out of the palace. My own brother. Eh? Among the whole chiefs.
Ejiofor of all people. Well, Your Highness, I
don't want you, any of the chiefs, to come and beg me on behalf of Ejiofor. I will not take it.
Count me out. I won't. But I beg to take my leave.
Okay. Greetings for me.
Father. Ekene. What is the matter? You told me you were going to the palace. Are you back now? Did anyone offend you at the palace?
Ekene, can you imagine? The king banished me from the palace.
What? The king banished you from the palace? Father, what happened? Why will the king banish you from the palace? I don't understand. What happened?
Ekene, the king said that I've been gossiping him around the village. Can you imagine that? Ekene, you know me, your father. I couldn't have gossiped him. Imagine. I only discussed with a friend about the killing of twins. I told him it's evil and that the twins are gifts from the gods. That was all.
Father, now I know where don't you think your friend might have revealed your secret discussion with him to the king?
Bamba, no. Ekene, no. Not my friend. I know my friend. He's someone I trust. They couldn't have revealed it. No, they won't betray me. Not my friend.
Father, trust no one. Then who else?
Ekene, I didn't discuss it with any other person. But why would he do a thing like that? You're making a lot of sense. Could it be the one? But, okay, I think I know what to do.
Your Highness, what befalls the dog befalls the hunter. I admonish that you look for the dark goat at noon, for you may not find it in dark.
Ezewana, you speak in fire.
It is time you stop the killing of twins in this land. For great calamity awaits you and your entire kingdom. You want.
I am the king of this great land, and whatever I say is
it is useless to repair a house that is being destroyed by the owner. Be warned, Your Highness.
You are but privileged to be chosen by the gods.
You see, what an elder sits down to say. If a giant climbs the tallest Iroquois tree, he cannot say, "This is my kingdom."
This is
A little child will say, I am the child of the gods. I speak the mind of the gods. Be warned, Your Highness, for I see great calamity ahead of you. Be warned.
The lion of this kingdom, the strength of this great kingdom. Father, I am your princess. Put yourself together. I will wait on the gods. My king, you need food because you need strength. Let me go and get you food.
Wanyama sampetendi mo. Ayama. Wanyama sampetendi mo. Ayama. Ezi wanyama nune kurundi mo. Ayama. Ezi wanyama nune kurundi mo. Ayama. Ezi wanyama nune kurundi mo. Ayama. Wanyama sampetendi mo.
Eyes of the gods, I greet you.
I and my fellow chief here are here to seek answers regarding the dreams our king had last night.
What he heard and saw are clear messages from the gods.
But wise one, it is not easy to change the culture and traditions of our people.
Your mind is too shallow to understand the ways of the gods. Leave my shrine.
Wanyama asampetendi mo. Ayama. Wanyama asampetendi mo. Ayama. Ezi wanyama asampetendi mo. Ayama. Ezi
My king, if familiarity is useful, then water wouldn't have cooked fish. I still remember that a sword cannot remember the smith that made its head.
Isaka, I don't understand the message you are trying to pass. Make me understand the words of the spirit.
Why are you panicking, my king? Why are you panicking? Is it because of that little brat called Wanyoma, who just started learning how to walk? Do not be afraid.
Isaka, I am not scared of you. Just that, when I remember how faithful our mother was to us when she was alive.
I said it. I said it. I see familiarity.
My king, do not be afraid. I will go and get words from the gods. Yes, I will. My king, we must not abandon our custom and tradition. The birth of twins in this kingdom is an abomination. I beg to take my leave.
Does it mean the gods are confused? No, they are not. Are they not the one that said twin belts is an abomination in this land? My sister.
The gods are not confused, and that was the reason they were warning the king to stop the killing of twins. Come to think of it, twin, are they not gift from the gods? Oh, so why are they killing twins? You ask me, my sister. It's getting late. Let's go. The gods are wise.
What is after the both of you? And where is the firewood you say you want to go and fetch?
Nine. A mighty black snake is chasing everyone out of their farmland. We almost got killed by that snake today.
Gods of our land, what have we done to deserve this?
I think it's the same snake that killed Ichie Anyanwu.
Oh. Ichie Anyanwu was killed by that same snake?
Yes.
Look, we have to go back to the palace now. We have to go back. Please, hurry up.
It's like I'm hearing voices. I'm hearing voices. Manati, come, stop. What is chasing you? Who is after you? Calm down. What is it?
I went to the stream to fetch water.
Calm down.
The water turned to blood.
Hey! Hello! Gods of our land, what is happening? What is happening, gods of our land? The other day, snake was chasing everybody in the community. Today, the only source of our water has turned into blood. Gods of our land, what is happening? What is happening? Hey! Hungry, man.
Where is the peace? Where is the love? I want children are crying. I want
Amara, you have started again, right? You have started again. When on earth will you even have strength to walk?
AGK, can't you see I'm tired?
What have you done? You're already tired with this small place. Please, Amara, let's try and finish this place and go and meet Mama at the other farmland because we need to go and help her there. So let us try and finish this place.
Tired. I want to rest a bit too.
Better hurry fast, rest, and let's try and finish this place and go and meet Mama at the other farmland. Go and help her.
Amara, choosing maiden of the gods.
AGK,
What?
did you talk to me?
I want to talk to you. Please, get up.
Amara, it's me.
Who are you? And how did you know my name?
All the trees in the forest, must know and you, and all the spirit of the land, knows their.
I don't understand.
What?
The leaf is talking to me.
Leaves talking to you?
Yes. The leaf.
Amara!
Hey!
Amara, wait! Amara!
Where is this child? I'm very hungry. Nkem?
I'm coming.
Please hurry up, I'm hungry. Nkem?
I'm coming.
What kept you so long? Is Mama and AGK back from the stream?
No, we are not yet back.
They are not yet back. Let's eat. Hope there is still yam ready for them to eat.
Yes.
Eat. I know you don't like eating, so make sure you eat very well. Eat too. I don't want to hear you are hungry.
Greetings, Amara.
Greetings to you, Goshoku.
It's your brother Ejike.
AGK. He accompanied my mother to the street to wash his clothes. It's not yet back.
Okay.
I wonder what is taking them so long. Anyway, come and join me.
Thank you. When your brother comes back from the river, tell him I came looking for him.
I will deliver a message to you.
Okay. Have a good day.
And you too. Greet your sister.
I will.
Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Amara! Why are you running? Who is after you?
Amara, you're eating. Your brother is dying at the stream.
My brother?
Yes, your brother. Yes.
Dying at the stream? How come? What happened to my brother?
Amara,
what happened to my brother?
We were washing together. So he fell down and he collapsed.
What's wrong with my mother?
Your mother tried all she could. All effort made by your mother to revive her prevailed to no avail, so she rushed to the palace to inform the
So my mother is at the palace right now?
Yes.
Come with me. Calm down, yeah? Nothing will happen to Ejike. Nothing will happen to my brother. Just look after the house. I'm coming. Don't worry. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ejike!
Woman, what is it?
My king.
What is it?
My son is dying.
My son is dying, no! My son is dying.
It's okay, madam, it's okay. It's okay. He will not die. We are looking for solution to the problem of this kingdom. He will not die. You cannot leave. Taka. You are no big. You now invite the elders of this kingdom. Tell them I want to see them now. As my king. Okay, come. Saka, calamity has befallen this great kingdom. People are dying. Our animals are dying. Our crops, plants are not growing again. Just recently, a certain sickness, ailment, invaded this great kingdom. And I don't know what to do. I want you to consult the gods.
Your Highness, mortals fear nothing. Kill your fear. I will go and seek the face of the gods.
I will come back this way.
Calamity will surely befell them that know the truth. Please, Your Highness, do not listen to this man standing by your side, for he is a deceitful man, and very soon the wrath of the gods shall visit him and his entire household.
You lied! You lied! I want you to tell the king. Yeah.
Tell him it is an abomination in our land. I am confused. I don't know who to believe.
You. I will deal with you. And you will not forget it in a hurry.
Anyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Wanyoma enenebe tiyalo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Wanyoma asampete ndimbo. Ayama. Eze wanyoma lule kuru ndimbo. Ayama. Wanyoma asampete ndimbo.
Is anyone here?
Great warriors of our land.
Greetings, Onowu.
Your presence is being needed at the palace by the king of this land. And we are out to fetch you.
I'll be there soon.
Obidike, go get Ichie Maduka while I get Ichie Okafor. And meet me at Okoda.
Igwe, I greet you. When you send a blind man in search of another blind man, that is losing the two men at the same time, we have been asking too many irrelevant questions. Igwe, I would rather suggest we see the chief priest. Igwe.
Igwe, I greet you. We all are aware that the chief priest cannot be visited on a Eke market day. Why do you speak like a man without sense? Shut your mouth there! Shut up your mouth, Mazebuka. Will you sit down? You speak like a woman.
What? What is wrong with you?
It's okay, it's okay.
Igwe,
I'm sorry.
Look at you. A pot calling kettle black. You must be very stupid.
Shut up your mouth, Mazebuka. A man that don't know the custom and tradition of our people. You speak blasphemy against our gods. Even you, Mazokafo, I'm disappointed at you. You know the custom and tradition of our people, and you are urging us to visit the chief priest today, being a Eke market day. Igwe, I greet you.
You must be very stupid.
Shut up your mouth, Mazebuka.
Ebuka, say keep quiet, both of you.
I'm sorry, my king.
I am very disappointed that both of you are shouting before my presence. Is there anything wrong with both of you? Eh? If you have problems, why don't you settle it in your various houses before coming to the palace? Let this be the first and the last you come to my palace and shout to each other. Sit down, Ebuka. Okay. Why is Ono noise?
Igwe. Ono went to the farm before the arrival of the palace messenger. Igwe.
Okay. Ichie Ebuka. And you and Ono should go and see the chief priest. Come back.
As it pleases you, my king.
Our tradition and custom. We shall see. We shall see. You get out.
This is my daughter. I'm just coming from the house. And I was informed that you came to see your friend.
Father, I came to visit my friend because the house was so boring.
Is that so?
Father, what's the outcome of the elders' petition to the shrine? But I thought they said the villagers do not visit the chief priest on the Eke market day. So what is going on?
My daughter, I would rather advise that you keep clear from the laws of the land, or you face the consequences of talking too much as a child. Now, can we go on?
That reminds me. Why would the king be urging us to visit Ojele Shrine today being Eke market day? And we all know it's forbidden.
You see, this is the problem I have with you. And what is his name again? Thanks the gods that is not here. Okafor. The way both of you are going against the decree of the king in this our land, pray that the wrath of the gods should not fall on you.
Ichie, you of all.
I have said my own.
Alo. Okay, no. Why will you, Ichie, who knows the tradition and custom of our people, be supporting the king, telling us to visit Ojele Shrine today being Eke market day?
What is it? What is the evil there? Tell me, what is the evil there?
There is no evil here. The voice of the gods At the voice of the king, thanks to the gods know I'm not in support of all the plots between you and the king against the gods. I'm going.
Where do you think you are going? Okay, I know where you are going now.
I should come and support you.
To meet Okafor. Won't you wait for me again?
Remain there.
Let's go.
I hope all is well, oh. Is there anything well in this kingdom? What's that supposed to mean?
But Chero, why will the elders agree to visit the shrine when they know it is forbidden in this land for the chief priest to be visited on like
Chisom, where did you get this information from? Because you didn't attend the elders meeting.
I heard it when my father was discussing it with your father.
Chisom, I pray this your mouth will not bring the wrath of the gods upon you. Let me pretend that I didn't hear anything.
You didn't hear anything.
And what do you think you are doing?
You won't come, let me gist you.
This evening, it's like you don't have anything doing.
Then, Chineye, it's not your fault. It's because I came visiting you. I am leaving.
Please, if you want to go, you go. I don't have time for you. Gossiper, look at you. You don't mind your business in this village. I'm looking for who you will put in trouble. It's not me, I did.
Wanyoma asampete mmụọ ayama eze wanyomonu na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ ayama eze wanyomonu na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ ayama wanyoma asampete ndị mmụọ ayama eze wanyoma asampete ndị mmụọ ayama eze wanyomonu na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ ayama Wanyoma asampete ndi mmụọ.
Blockbuster, the wise one, I greet you.
Wanyoma asampete ndi mmụọ. Ayama eze wanyoma ọnụ na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ. Ayama wanyoma asampete ndị mmụọ. Ayama eze wanyoma ọnụ na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ. Ayama eze wanyoma asampete ndị mmụọ.
Eyes of the gods, I greet you.
What you're searching for is not far from you. When the stealer of the beats is also searching for the beats, it can never be found. Go and tell the king that I said so.
But why is wrong?
Take a look. You find answers to your questions.
Where is the peace? Where is the love? I want
gods of our land, I have served you so well in this kingdom. I have done sacrifices. Sacrifices that will give birth to children. Pregnant women are delivering, they are giving birth. Here am I. Here am I. What is life without a child? What is life without a child? Is this how I'm going to live my life? Is this how I am going to live my life? Gods of our land, and will you answer me? When will you answer me? When will you hear my cry? When will you hear my cry? Gods of our land, satisfy my desires. Bring happiness in my home. Bring joy in my home. Give me a child. Give me a child and I will serve you continuously.
worry, the baby is coming. It's coming. Push! Push! The baby is coming. It's coming. Push! Push, push, push for the last time. For the last time. Push!
Gods of our land. So how's my wife and the baby?
Your wife is fine. But she just gave birth to a set of twins.
No! 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 Don't tell me no!
Calm down. If the villagers find out, you will be in trouble.
You do not understand. After 30 years of childlessness, the gods decide to visit me with this pain. Knowing fully well if you have twins in this kingdom, it's an abomination. One of the twins will be killed and the other thrown into the evil forest. It is not the same thing as being childless. Gods of our land, gods of our land, take my life. Take my life and save me from this humiliation. Take my life.
There is a way out. I will take care of the children. Wait. I will be right back.
Twins.
Go with your wife immediately.
Thank you.
Hey, gods of our land, please give me the strength to take care of these children.
People are dying, children are crying. I
I'm tired. I don't think I can continue. We can still stay in the kingdom and tell them that I had a stillbirth. Why must we run away?
Calamity will befall this kingdom in no time. If they find out that we are keeping the twins, this kingdom will fall with us. And my entire family will be blessed.
Where is the peace? Where is the love?
Ezi nwanyị ọma ọnụ na-ekwuru ndị mmụọ. Ayamba nwanyị ọma
am I hearing? Nah, I can't just believe what is happening in our land today. What is really going on?
Chidima. Hey! What are you both gossiping about and you couldn't even notice my presence?
I'm sorry, I didn't notice you.
So tell me, what are you two gossiping about?
You mean you have not been hearing the news going around this village?
Tell me, what is happening in this village that I don't know?
My eyes have seen my ears.
Hey, Chidima, you are speaking in parable and you are confusing me. What have your eyes seen that your mouth cannot say?
You won't believe what I'm about to tell you now. You see, our chief prince and his wife are the cause of everything.
Show me. Do you want to incur the wrath of the cause upon yourself?
They are the reason why the gods have decided to bring calamity on us.
So tell me, how?
You know, the birth of twins is an abomination in our land.
I know.
They gave birth to twins and flew away from the land.
Hey! Haru! Wait, but why would the chief priest commit such an abominable act? Knowing fully well that the birth of twins is an abomination in this land. Wait, does that mean that the act of the chief priest was the cause of my brother's death, Ejike? Hey! It will never be well with the chief priest wherever he is. Hey!
We're heading somewhere before you stop us.
No problem, yeah? Greet your mothers for me. Hey! So, because of that chief priest, I lost my brother, my only brother, Ejike. It will never be well with him wherever he is. Hey, Ejike, one more. Hey, I miss you so much. Hey!
Yeah, princess. You're welcome. Are you back?
What was the outcome of the meeting you had with the other seller?
I sent the Yoruba and the Chibuka to go to the shrine before sunset tomorrow.
Are you sure you made the right decision? By sending those elders to the chief priest, when you know the tradition of this land forbid it.
Princess, there's nothing else I can do. The kingdom is in trouble. So that was why I have to send them there. There's no any other place I can send them to. We need a solution to the problems of this kingdom.
You need food for strength.
Food for strength. When there's no happiness and peace in my kingdom, the issue of food should remain first. Let me get peace now. Happiness in my kingdom.
You need food for strength. He who must fight needs food for strength.
You're right, my princess. When I want the food, I will let you know.
Did you Okafo? 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 Does it mean Okafo has gone out? Anyway, can Ngabe Echinine, I will come back.
Gashibaruka, please come back.
Ichie.
Come back.
I hear it. I hear
How
it.
are you?
I'm fine.
Have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you, Ichie.
Let me go inside and get you.
Hey, don't worry, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm not here because of cola.
Alright. No, okay.
The reason why I'm here is in regard to our land.
The way our king is doing everything by himself portrays that this land will have a bigger problem in the near future.
But The way the king has been going to the shrine to offer sacrifice, always a couple. Is that his duty? Even Ebuka and Onowu that are following the instruction of the king. Those people. And when Ajobi, they are bad.
Bam, you are right. Those three, they have something in their sleeves. You are very correct. I know.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land. I pray that when this fire of the gods start burning, let it not consume each and every one of us. Makandia, Omeha, Ojolonjo, Omumendi Ajoka.
Igwe, I greet you. Our land is in serious trouble. Ayiri, the gods of the land, is now killing people in our stream. Let us do something fast and do it now. Igwe.
If something is not done fast, we all know the consequences.
Igwe, if I may ask, what do we do now?
My elders, I agree to you. Don't know. I want both of you to go back to before sunset tomorrow and bring back words.
Are we not sure that it's the strange God we visited that brought this calamity upon our kingdom?
Oh, what if it is not the strange gods? Stop talking like a woman. This is not women's
Shut
meeting.
up! You a custodian who don't know the custom and tradition of our kingdom. You call
Why you can keep quiet?
Igwe.
Sit down.
Igwe.
Maruka, let this be the last time you talk back to Ono like this. Ono.
Your Majesty.
Before sunset tomorrow,
People are dying, children are crying. I want
Great one. What have I done wrong that warrants this kind of a visit?
Oh, shut up! Have you lost your manners?
I'm sorry. I was carried away by fear. Greetings, great one.
Oh, keep your greetings. Keep your greetings. You have the effrontery to go after your king, gossiping your king, and even thinking evil against him. Oh, your end has come.
Hold it there. This man here has begged you. What do you stand to gain if you destroy him?
You little brat. I have no time to banter words with you.
He who touches the tail of a lion should be ready for his consequences.
Wanyoma. Wanyoma. The man whose house is on fire will not go after that. Now look at your daughter. Your only daughter. She is no more. You should be thinking on how to give her a befitting burial.
Snails do not talk when other animals with horns talk.
How dare you touch the tail of a lion?
Lion, you said? It's ignorant that make a frog to jump into a hot water. How dare you step your feet into the shrine of great Princess Wanyoma? How dare you?
You have beaten more than you can chew, so you shall die.
Your Highness,
Why are you here?
it seems your backbone is broken and your heart shattered.
If you don't have anything to say, leave my presence now.
You refuse to take the advice of the gods, and it means one thing: death, calamity. You are digging your own grave with your own hands. You warned, Your Highness.
I want
our princess. And that is why I and the other chiefs are here to
Igwe, please accept our heartfelt sympathy.
Death. Our princess of yesterday is no more. Hi!
That's it.
I want car.
Let's go. I'm cold.
Let's play a little now.
No. Besides, did you hear what the town crier said?
I heard this, but that does not stop us from playing.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go if you say so. But wait.
What?
The death of the king is very surprising, though.
Oh yes, I know. But we don't have time for that now. We can't talk about the death of the king now. Let's just go.
If you say so, the gods are wise.
Go and bury the dead.
Wise one. We are afraid to bury our king because it might invite new calamity.
The heart of mortal man are not made to understand the ways of the gods.
Wise one. We cannot change the culture and traditions of our people. But even why must the gods not?
When kola nut is destroyed, the maggot inside it cannot be left out. Time! 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 Only time will reveal the truth. Go and bury your king. Go and bury your king. The mouthpiece of the gods has spoken.
I'm sorry, I came back very late from the market. I'll go to school. I thought you said we'll be here to teach us the last dance step you guys did. I think it will soon be here. Let's go. Okay. Ah, he's here already. Oh.
Greetings to you too. And you, Ezinne. You, go to this side. You come to this side. Where were you not present at the rehearsal we had last market day?
I came back very late from the market.
You came back very late from the market. If it is to gossip now, your mouth will be very sharp. It goes to rehearsal now. You are not present. When you know that our king burial is fast approach. Anyway, if not for one thing, I would have not come here to teach you anything. And again, mind you are following our footsteps, follow anything you do, okay? And you are singing with me. Okay, let's go. What are you doing now? Look at what she's doing now. Move your waist like this, like bend it like this. Move your leg like this, move it like this. What are you doing? Greetings. What happened? Why is your face like this?
You won't just believe what happened.
I believe everything. What happened?
Ifechi just broke up with me.
Hey! Huh? Do you both think we are gossiping here? So, okay, you are here now to pick point to gossip about. Hey, you both live here. You both should leave.
Ebere, let's go.
Ikechuku, my friend. What really happened?
If Fetchy just broke up with me.
I've warned you. I've warned you time with that number. Love doesn't exist. Stop loving. It's okay.
Indeed, I thank God. You are better now.
Give praises to all the gods.
Oh, for Sisi, na mo boss Sisi.
Young girl, your head is very powerful. Very powerful.
Oh, Sisi, na boss Sisi.
How did you get this bead? Yes.
My mother. My mother. Yes. My mother gave me.
Who is your mother?
That was how we started living in this forest.
Mother, what about my twin brother? Does he still live?
I don't really know Uche. I think he must have been sacrificed to Ijele the gods.
And my parents?
I have no idea, my daughter.
Oluchi, my daughter, don't ever go back to your land.
Else, you must surely be sacrificed so long you are too.
Mother.
Good.
Mother, is it that my herbs are no longer strong enough to bring you quick healing? Huh? My herbs are usually strong. They are strong and it can heal. Why are you not getting your healing fast?
My daughter, there is time for everything. No matter how healthy and strong the hero country is, it must surely be used for fight.
Mother. 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 Mother.
I want
Mother. No! Mother.
People are dying, children are crying. I want
You see, everything the midwife told you was correct. Everything the midwife told you about a certain man was correct. I am that man. She told you. She told you about it. I don't want you to go back to that Aniwanka kingdom. They are evil. They are wicked. Stay away from that kingdom. Do you hear me? Go get me water. Go inside the altar and get me water to drink.
Yes, Father.
I will put you to it. Take this blood. Always wear it in your hand wherever you go. It will protect you from evil and also evil spirits. The days we live are evil. Always wear it. It will protect you, my daughter. Wear it. Wear it.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Father. Father.
I want where is the peace? Where is the love? I want people are dying.
The time has come to reveal the truth. No king will live in your kingdom until the throne is given to the rightful owner.
Rightful owner?
The last son of the priest, Chijoke, is the rightful owner of the throne. He lives at the forest at the other side of the river. Go in search of him, bring him home and crown him.
But how? But how?
The twins you seek to kill are the offspring of Miriata, the goddess of fertility, the protector of your land that you abandoned to worship the god of your late king.
But how did the twins of the priest become the offspring of Miriata?
The wife went to Miriata in search of a child when she was frustrated and desperately needed a child. In her anger, she killed the king. Go and bring him home and crown him the king of your land, and everything gradually fall into place.
This is serious.
Who are you? Who are you and what do you want from me?
My name is Omekago. We are here for your father people to come and carry you.
Father people, and who are my father people? Who are they? And who are my people?
You have lived in this forest for too long. Come with us to your home.
I do not have any home. If you know what is good for you, leave this place or else I will kill him. Get up! Get up!
My elders, you are welcome. We all know the reason we are here.
My elders, what else can we do to bring this boy back?
As it is now, I, Ebuka, I am seriously confused. I am confused.
I think we should visit the priestess. She will have a solution on how to bring back our king.
Long time ago, our land has no king. And up till now, the gods have not chosen another seer.
How long shall we continue?
Ma'am,
No one can answer that question. But I think what Unduka said is right. The only solution we have now is to go and see the priestess. From there, solution can come.
But why is it Ono is not always present when we are discussing issue concerning our community, our land?
I know you will come into this. But we all know that our Ono is a very busy man.
Is he the only person that is busy?
That is not the issue why we are here. Let us not discuss Ono. We have serious issue on ground we are discussing about Ono. Let's think of how we can go and see the priestess. I think that is the only way now. Let's start going.
Is anyone here?
That boy is very dangerous. He nearly killed me the last time.
Seriously? Let's go deeper into the forest in search of the boy.
This is an evil forest. You have to be careful.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Why won't you let me be? You people should leave me alone. Let me be.
My son, please, we beg of you. Come back home. Our land is in trouble. Come and rescue your father's land. Please.
Rescue? Your land wants me to come and rescue them. Where was your land? Where was that land when I was alone, all by myself in this forest? Where were your land when I was eaten from the ground like an animal? Where were your land? Where were your land where the only people I can communicate with are spirits, birds, trees, and now that so-called land wants me to help them. Yes. Where were you people when the only people I can communicate with in this forest are spirits? Where were you people when I needed a family? When I needed people to call my own? And you stand there to tell me to come and rescue your land? Leave this place this minute. Else, you all will not like what I will do. Go back to your land and tell them that I will not rescue them.
Please, I beg of you.
It seems you all think that I was joking when I said if you do not leave this place this minute, you will not like what you will see.
Like I told you before, when I broke a man, I know can't you never go.
If you do not want to live in peace, then you will live in pieces.
My son. Yeah, you did. Please.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Daughter of Wayoba, to what do I owe this unexpected visit?
I bring you message from Wanyoma. And this message is from the gods.
Oh, message. If I may ask, what is this message all about?
The gods want you to accept your people. In 4 market days, if you do not go home and ascend the throne, you will regret every bit of your action. You have to go now. Go!
Gods of my father, you want me to save the same people who abandoned me for years. The same people who never care of my well-being. All my life, the birds, the trees, the winds, and the softness of the greens keep me alive. And now you want to take them away from me? It's fine. But I want you to know this. I will never abandon the forest, even as a king.
And where do you think you are coming from? I searched for you everywhere, I could not find you. I thought I've warned you severally before you leave the house. Always inform me. Always inform me. Okay, where did you go to? You went to the palace, so do what? Are you the kind of people they are looking for in the palace? Are you the kind of people wonders we never heard? So what did you went there to do?
The twin is back.
Which of the two?
Ifeanyi.
You mean Ifeanyi is back to this land? Ifeanyi is back. Oh, my man, my dream man. So you mean Ifeanyi is back? Who told you?
We have already coronated him as the king of this land.
You mean that they are coronated? Ifeanyi already has a king. I'm not aware. You know what? Just go home. Later we attend to you. Go home. I'm coming back here. You will tell me what you are doing in the palace. Yeah. So, Ifeanyi is back and I'm not aware. I don't even know if my Ekpa is aware. Anyway, let me go ask him. Hey, if
people are dying, children are crying.
Ofoma, are you sure this is the place?
I'm not mistaken. I think so. Because this is the only hut in this entire forest. Please, we come in peace. We mean no harm.
The king of Anuanka kingdom sent us to bring his sister.
And who is your king? And how am I related to him?
Our king, Igwe Ifeanyi Chijoke, the Kanabali Zunkizi Nananka, asked us to bring his only sister.
Yes, I have a brother that I know. But having a brother as a king, I do not know. But if that is true, you go. Tell your king that the body of his late father still lies in the forest, yet unburied. And as for me coming,
but you can still come with us. The king insisted we don't come back without you.
I am the tree that makes a forest. The one tree. Of what city, my lover, city. I eat and dine with the animals.
What? You mean my father just died? Why? Why is it that when anything good wants to come to me, something always happens? Why is it always too late? Why? What about my sister? You will go back to the forest. You will bring my sister back. But if she refuses to come with you, don't force her. Let her be. Do not lay a finger on her. Make sure you come with my father's corpse. I want to give him a befitting burial. Go.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Thank the gods I met you here. I was actually on my way to your house.
Why?
You're asking me why. You know everybody in this village. You know the kind of person you are. You know you go around sleeping with all the men in this village. But that is not my business. Please, please. I'm here to beg you and also to warn you to stay away from my man, King Ifeanyi. The new king of this land is my man. Do you know how long I've been waiting for this man? Even Priestess Wanyoma appeared to me and told me that King Ifeanyi, the new king, that he is my man, that whenever he comes to this village, he's going to marry me. So please, stay away from him. You remember Chigozie, the man you were dragging with me. I no longer have a problem with you. You can go ahead and ask me for all I care. I will not disturb you or any other man, but you see the new king, King Ifeanyi, please stay away from him. That's what I want to tell you, please.
Are you done talking?
I'm done.
Wait. See who is talking. Hey, what is your problem? What is your problem? I keep asking this question, Amara. What is your problem? Amara, what is your problem? What is it? Won't you let me have peace in this village? Are you the one to tell me which man to follow and which man not to follow? And what give you the right to even stop me and spit out this nonsense that is coming out from your mouth? And Am I the reason why you don't get attracted? Why men don't get attracted to you? Who are you to tell me who to be with and not to be with in this village? I have been dreaming about the king. I have been dreaming about the king and he is mine. So stop fooling yourself. Stop wasting time on him.
You know you are sheep. That is why all the men always come for you.
Hey, well,
so please, stay away from him. Is that too much to ask?
Hey, Amara.
But wait, let me ask you. What do you even think that you are that will make the king? If I go after you, take a good look at me now. Do you think the new king, if I will see all this, like all this, what you can see for you? You think he's going to see all this and go for you? You are too cheap for my king now.
Look at this girl. What is this? What is this? Don't be deceived. Don't be confused by all this rubbish. This bunch of a wasted time of God's creation. Don't be confused. I see bunch of nonsense, dirty. Look at fat. Look at dirty fat everywhere. And you think the king will be attracted to a girl like this? Amara, I don't have your time. I was actually on my way to see the king. Before you stopped me and interrupted me with this rubbish that you are spitting out of your mouth. Nonsense.
Come here. Wait, you are not even afraid. You have the audacity, the nerves to tell me that you are going to see my man, King Ifeanyi. I can see you out of your mind. You have lost it. Now let me warn you. I will not warn you again. Stay away from King Ifeanyi or else you will not live to tell
Amara, you will do nothing. I will have the king in this village and nobody, not even you, can stop it. Nonsense.
I want her.
Have you come to bother me once more?
Princess of our land, calm down. Please, your brother the king sent us to bring you back home. So please come with us. I beg of you. My princess, we know you are angry. And a lot has happened in the past. But we are begging as the elders of this land. Forget about the past. Let us go back. Biko, come with us.
Let the past bury the past.
My princess, we have come a long way down here to fetch you. Please come with us. Please.
My princess, we understand your plight. We know your feelings. We know you are very upset. Even the king knows you are upset. That is why he decided to send the elders of the land to come and beg you. Please. We understand the situation. And one thing you must understand, please. The king is your only family now. And he needs you desperately. Try and understand. Try. Please. Please.
My name is Oluchi. The only tree that makes a forest. I don't need your family. I have lived here for years, all alone, without family.
People are dying, children are crying. I want
Haven't you avoided me enough? All I ask is for you to give me a chance. Just hear me out, please. I beg you.
What do you want to explain to me? What exactly? How you let me wallow and wander in the forest for years? While you were king? Enjoying all the benefits of a king. You want to explain?
I know. I know you think things is very easy for me. But that is not true. It was not easy for me either. I was all alone. You were opportune to be taken good care of by the midwife. She was there for you. She cared for you. She showed you love. But I never had any of that. Until I find myself here. Please. Try to understand me. I'm sorry.
Gochuku.
Where are you going to? And hope there is food for me to eat at home.
I'm going to the palace. I heard the twin is very ill.
Which of the twins? Our king or his sister?
The princess.
Gods of our land. We were happy you brought those twins to restore the peace of our land. We can't afford to lose them. Oh. You know what? I will join you to the palace. Okay? Let's go.
I ask again. What are we going to do to bring my sister back to life? I don't know. I don't know what I did to the gods for them to treat me this way. Why is it that anything good, whenever something happiness wants to come my way, the gods will look for a way to cut it off? What have I done to them? What have I done to them? Why do they want to take the only thing that is important to me? The only family I have left, the gods want to take her away from me. Why? What have I done to them? Is it because of the misery of my death?
You sent for me.
Yes, sir, I sent for you. I want to discuss something. Go get a chair. Come see. Ekene, my son.
Father,
How are you?
Father, I'm fine. Good.
I want to tell you something. You are aware that the God said some of our young men will have to go into the evil forest. The gods have chosen you among other young men in this community to go into the evil forest to get his wife, to heal our princess.
Father, I don't think I am among those that are fit for this journey. No. I don't want to die young.
Ekene,
don't want to die.
I understand. Ekene, I'm your father. I know you. The gods who have chosen you will protect you. Let me tell you one thing you may not know. The gods don't just choose anybody. They choose people with hearts of gold. People with golden hearts. And you are one of such people in this community. Ekene, don't forget, you have a royal blood flowing through your veins. And that is why the gods have chosen you.
Father, this is not a matter of a royal blood. What about if I happen to die in the forest? How would you feel?
You will not die. Do you think I will want to lose any of my sons? Amongst my children, you are the one with the great heart. And that is why the gods have chosen you. And that is why I have decided to allow you to go. And above all, remember, the king has vowed to reward handsomely the young man that will come with his swaddling. And I believe you are that man.
Father, I have heard you. But at least I need some time to think about it.
It's okay. You can go and take your time.
Ugochukwu, I am confused.
Make me understand what exactly is the problem and why are you confused, Ugochukwu?
I don't think if I can embark on this journey. I'm afraid of dying there. And you know that my sister is very, very sick. I don't think if I can embark on this journey. I'm afraid of losing my life.
My friend, you don't need to be afraid. You are brave enough to overcome all temptation when it comes to this. We, the community, the prince, the princess, everybody believes in you. Stop giving that negative thought about dying on this journey. You don't need to give up so easy. You are a brave man, my friend.
I know.
Going is for the good of your sister and for the good of the community as well. Choosing you by the gods will surely stand by you. Fear not, my friend.
Ugochukwu, I know. It's not that I'm scared of dying, but it's my sister. I don't want anything to happen to her when I'm not around.
Don't be scared, my friend. I will surely be there for her as a friend. Okay? Be strong and she will be fine. Your safety will keep her alive.
I will still think about it.
You need to do, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Just need to be strong.
Okay, let's go.
Maluka,
Mazi,
I can see you are ready.
Yes, Mazi. Very much ready.
That's good.
Yes, Mazi. Thank you, Mazi. I guess you are ready.
Ekene, my son.
Father.
May the gods of our land protect you. May they go with you and bring you back to me, your father. The gods who have chosen you, they are wise. They will not start what they cannot accomplish. May you go and return safely to your father. You are a royal warrior.
Thank you, Father. I promise you, I will go and return with the Iswali to save the princess.
I know I can always count on you, my son. Go and return back to your father. I shall be here waiting for you.
Thank you.
Maluka,
Mazi.
may the gods go with you too.
Sir. Yeah. Why not much
I want where is the peace? Where is the love? Aiwanka, ewo. People are dying, children are crying. Aiwanka, ewo. Aiwanka, ewo.
One local.
Can I?
Where is Ikeshuku? I thought he was sent to join us by the priestess.
Yes. And he's supposed to be here by now. I don't know what is keeping him behind.
Oh, what is all this nonsense now? What is all this rubbish? I hate rubbish. Let's go without him now.
Let us leave him now. He's wasting our time. Ikeshuku. Ikeshuku.
Ikeshuku, what is this now? What is all this?
Look at you. You are always sluggish. Very sluggish.
It's okay. Ikeshuku. What is the matter? Why are you behind?
I'm sorry for the delay. I was trying to attend to my sick sister.
Can't listen to him. He was attending to his sick sister.
One looker. Be calm. Have you been fortified by Priestess Wanyoma?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We're free to go.
As you can see, I'm shivering. Do something about the rain.
Ekene, you have to do something. Do something. At least you have to provide a place for us to stay. We are tired. I'm more than tired. I never knew it would be like this. I wouldn't have come this far. Shut up! Shut up, everyone! Shut up! What do you expect me to do? You're pissing me off. You're talking like a coward. Tell me, what do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do? You all have been chosen by the gods to get the Israel leave to save the princess. The choice is yours. Shall you go back as a failure or you march forward?
I want are dying, children are crying. I want I want Aruneme obodo, ifeneme obodo, aiwanka, where is the peace? Where is the love? Aiwanka, where is the love? Aiwanka, people are dying, children are crying. I want.
Go back! Go back! You can't pass this place!
You lie! We can't go back. We've gone too far to go back. We must save the princess. We must save the princess.
No more. Odogu, Ikechukwu is no more. Hey, Ekene, Ikechukwu is no more. Odogu, Ikechukwu is no more.
Hey, just like that.
Abanaya, Ikechukwu is gone.
Just like that.
This is unbelievable. Ah, Abanaya. Be strong. We just have to be strong. We must save the princess. Ikechukwu is dead. And it's so unfortunate. But we cannot turn back. We have gone too far. We have gone too far. We must get the leave. The Iswado leave to save the princess. Sleeping sons of priestess Wayoma, wake up! Wake up!
Where is the peace? Where is the love?
Odogu is gone. Odogu is gone.
Ekene, I can't take this anymore. I am not going any further. First of all, it was Ikechuku, and now Odogu is gone. Who knows who might be the next? I did not sign up for this. I cannot come and die here. In fact, I'm going back. I can't continue.
Abanaya, it's okay. Be a man. Do you realize how far we've gone on this journey? One look at. Okay, Abanaya. Abanaya. Let's go. Yeah, man. Yes.
What is it?
I'm tired. I need some rest.
You don't need any rest. This forest is no longer safe for us. Abanaya died last night. We are fine, and it's just the both of us remaining. You need more rest. Let's go and get the leave to save the princess.
I know. But please.
You don't need any rest. Let's go. This place is not safe for us. Look at how our mates are dead. Ekene! No! Ekene! No! 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 Ekene!
Ekene is gone.
Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Ah, gods of our land!
Waluka, son of the great fighter, fear not. The leaf you seek for is not far from you. Follow the left side of the road that leads to Ara Forest. There you will find it. Go!
Is this not the road that Spirit said I should follow? Now I'm here. Where's the leaf? I can't find the leaf. How do I even know the leaf? If I didn't get the leaf, I'll go back. If I didn't see this leaf, I'll go back. I cannot die in this forest.
I want
our princess will be saved now!
I want where is the peace? Where is the love? I want people are dying, children are crying. I want
All this. And no one have heard about those warriors that went in search of the leaf. Who knows if they are still alive? I just hope that they are still alive. Gods of my fathers, I beg you, please, I don't want anything to happen to my sister. I beg you, please.
Yeah, Highness.
Where are the others?
They are all gone. They are all dead, Your Highness. I'm really sorry, everyone. Highness, there's a day.
God of my fathers, so many lives has been taken just to bring back my sister. I pray that this leaf will do exactly as it has been described.
People are dying, children are crying. Oh, where is the peace?